Good afternoon. I'm Dr. Cheryl Lynn Duckworth. I'm at Southeastern University in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and just wanted to share a few words about myself and the conference. I'm an associate professor of conflict resolution and peace education, and so I've joined the conference here to share about my research on youth interfaith dialogues, which I think are an important intervention into some of the conflicts that young people experience, and sometimes not so young people, principals, teachers, experience in really diverse school systems. And one of the things that I've enjoyed so much so far about the conference are opportunities for networking and getting to know one another in terms of nice long coffee breaks and sessions that are sort of dedicated specifically to just open session, academic exchange, so we can learn about one another's research ideas, one another's challenges in the classroom, challenges in teaching, things like this. Because whenever enough educators gather, there's always going to be problems solved, I think. So it's always useful to come to these kinds of conferences where there is so much diversity. I think I've seen at least, maybe 20 different nations represented already with people that I've spoken with. So really, really enjoyable experience so far. I'm learning a lot. The combination of social sciences and business is a new one for me. So I don't really have a background in business. So I'm learning a lot about that as well, and how it might fit into some of my own research in conflict resolution. So definitely an enjoyable experience, and I know that we'll have another day of very strong sessions tomorrow as well. Thank you.